Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens on the Oneplus 7 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and rear cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the rear cover. While taking out the rear cover, be gentle. The flash plug is attached to the back cover. First, take off the shield and then disconnect the plug to take out the rear cover. Next, on the rear cover's front side, apply heat to soften the camera lens glue, and then gently apply pressure from behind to take out the camera lens. Next, take the new camera lens and place it on the rear cover by applying glue around the lens edges. Most of the time, the replacement lens is coming with adhesive. If not, you can use B7000 glue or double-sided tape. Make sure the lens has seated and placed securely. Next, place the rear cover on the body. First, secure the connector, then add the shield. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Oneplus 7 Pro. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.